Getting your long-form YouTube content onto TikTok is a total game changer for growth, but doing it manually versus using automation are two very different experiences. Today, I'm going to walk you through the old-school manual route for maximum control and the faster, smarter way to scale your content without burning out. If this breakdown helps you save time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But more importantly, give these workflows a shot to really streamline your creative process. Let's start with the manual method, which is solid if you love having granular control over every single cut and transition in your edit. First, you need the original file, so either use your own source file or download the video directly from the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you have the video file saved locally, open up a tool like CapCut to handle the heavy lifting of reformatting that landscape video for a vertical feed. Create a new project, import your footage, and immediately start setting the background to a blurred look so you don't have those awkward, empty black bars. Then, adjust your project settings to the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the gold standard for vertical mobile screens on TikTok. You will need to manually pinch and zoom the clip in the viewer to make sure the most important action is centered and keeps the viewer's attention. It's a tedious process, but once you've exported the file from your editor, you head over to TikTok to upload and finalize your captioning and hashtags. That manual method is definitely effective, but if you're trying to churn out multiple clips from every long video, you're going to run into a major time sink. You're constantly cutting, cropping, resizing, and timing subtitles, which really kills your creative flow when you should be making more content. This is exactly why creators are shifting toward AI-powered workflows like Vizard to reclaim their time and sanity. With Vizard, you simply drop in your YouTube link or upload your video file, and the AI instantly gets to work on analyzing the footage for you. Instead of hunting for highlights, the AI automatically detects viral moments, looking for high-energy segments, funny parts, or key statements that hook an audience. It does all the heavy lifting for you, including resizing the aspect ratio for TikTok and auto-generating those essential, eye-catching captions. You end up with a batch of polished clips in seconds, giving you the power to scale your output without spending hours in a traditional editor. The efficiency gains are massive because you can go from one long-form video to a dozen ready-to-post clips in the same time it takes to make one manual edit. Consistency is the algorithm's best friend, and Vizard's built-in scheduler makes sure you are posting regularly without having to set manual reminders. You can plan out your entire week, drag and drop clips into the calendar, and let the platform handle the publishing so you never miss a peak traffic window. Now, to be completely transparent, manual editors like CapCut still have a place if you need highly specific, custom visual effects or specialized keyframe work. If you're crafting a highly stylized cinematic piece, you might still want that hands-on control that only manual software can provide. However, for most creators focusing on volume and consistent engagement, Vizard provides the perfect balance of automation and creative tweaking. You get all the highlights identified, perfectly cropped and captioned, but you still have the final say on the creative polish before it goes live. My recommended workflow is to use AI to generate the batch, pick the winners, add your own final touches, and schedule them out for the whole week. Don't forget the golden rules of social media. Hook them hard in the first 3 seconds. Use captions because people love to watch on mute, and keep branding subtle. If you're working with the team, the centralized content calendar in Vizard is an absolute lifesaver, replacing endless file sharing with smooth collaboration. So, whether you are a one-person show just starting out or a creator scaling your brand, pick the workflow that fits your current volume. Manual editing is great for special projects, but for daily growth, automation is how you stay consistent without burning out. Try the Vizard flow for a week. Compare the time you save versus the manual method, and I promise you will be surprised by how much more content you can produce. It's really that simple. Work smarter, post more often, and watch your engagement grow alongside your library of short-form clips. If you have any specific questions about settings, captioning, or scheduling, drop them in the comments and I will help you get set up. Good luck with your content, and start turning those long videos into viral moments today.